What's going on YouTube? Super Rich back here again today. And today we're going to be fixing my overboosting issue. So when I bought the car, or not when I bought the car, when I got the car, so I didn't buy it. I didn't really, get on the gas too hard. Like didn't go full throttle or anything like that. And then the other day I was like, you know what? Let me give it the beans real quick. Yeah, she did not like it. Looked at the boost gauge, it was up to like almost 22 to 25 psi, and it looked like it was gonna keep climbing. And I was like, okay, yeah, no, something's not right, because the car is completely stock. Did some looking around, seen that the OEM boost solenoid was cracked. Don't laugh at me. For the meantime, I put some tape on it, try to keep it together, because the back end where the nipple's at was like falling off on one side. So I bought a new one from STM, and we're gonna get that installed today and see if that fixes the issue. Let me open the box. There. Boom. And there we go. Stock. Oh yeah. So let's get the hood popped and get that installed real quick. Oh, and I upgraded the camera. We're actually, I popped the trunk like a DA. We're actually using the GoPro Hero 3 now. So hopefully the quality is a little bit better. Oh my God, I said GoPro Hero 3. GoPro Hero 13. Having a brain fart today. Got off work, tired. Whatever, don't want to make no excuses. So let me get to it. Alright, so what I need, I think that's 8 or 10. Pretty sure this is a 10. Nope, definitely an 8. Let's pop that bad boy off. Alright. Did I put that bolt back on there? I did. Damn. Probably should have bought some new bolts. Look how rusty these bad boys is. Had a nice shiny little thing up in there. It's gonna be all around rust. I think I'm tightening. I am. Ooh. Let me grab my light. Ghetto light. It's a ghetto light, but it works. You see anything you want to see now? All right. Here's one. Don't want the line to break. Boom. Both of those. Oh, shit. Whatever. That's not gonna stay. Not gonna keep playing that. Man, this bad boy acting like it's seized on there or something. Oh, there we go. Let me take this tape off of it. I mean, I don't know. I had to put some adhesive on it. It look like it's on there still. I don't know. Maybe it didn't set right, but that adhesive got that bad boy stuck on there. Like this whole thing was falling off at one point, so. Yeah, but just look how rusty that is, though. Yeah, no go. Let me grab a new one. And there's the new one. Alright, let me get these up on here before I even hook that up. Okay. Get this back connected. Alright. Let's get a screw back in now. I know it's so stupid to buy OEM, but I'm not trying to get the cartoon right now. And whenever I do get the cartoon, I'm probably gonna have to swap it out with a electrical boost controller anyway. But same time, okay, gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not trying to be driving around over boosting, because I mean, yeah, I know I'm not all the way on the gas and I'm not, you know, beating on the car, but yeah, sometimes people pull up on you. Maybe I might just forget and I want to race. Blew this bad boy up or something. That'd be real upset. pushing on. Boom, in there. Yeah, just stick this bad boy back on there. Let me set it like this. Yeah. All right, let me grab my 8mm. Oh, that's going the wrong way. I'm about to fuck up. Make sure that bad boy going all the way up on there. Yeah, we're good. Boom, there we go. Now, we shouldn't be over boosting no more. Slide this bag around. Boom. I mean, give you guys the exhaust cold start since, you know, I lost the footage for the exhaust install. But I got my STM downpipe on. I got the blocks, test pipe, eBay exhaust, and I did the turbo inlet intercooler piping for I guess you'll say the hot side, not the cold side. So a couple mods, give you guys a little cold start. Good enough. Makes here tomorrow.